Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. I'm glad to see you back. If you're new, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to unbox some beautiful Nikes. It's the Nike Cortez, a really iconic shoe. So let's get it out and have a closer look. I got a size 10, by the way. So here you can see in the box view, and a great first impression, really beautiful. Nothing's like a white Cortez, really iconic, retro looking and beautiful. And of course guys, you need to smell them. Not too much smell there, but you can feel the chemically smell in the background there. Not too heavy, but that's okay. It's not the most important thing in the world. But yeah, we got some really iconic shoes here. Some Cortez, really beautiful. You can't go wrong with them. It's always a go-to summer shoe. Really nice for the summer. A light shoe with great quality. It's leather all around, so it's some great quality. It's actually quite easy to keep clean because of the leather, so it's not a problem to wipe off the dirt and stuff. That's a plus. It's also really thick with the rubber on the bottom here, so really durable. It will last you for a long time. So really nice, great grip on the bottom, and yeah, as you really can see, they are just stunning. That beautiful retro Nike look, and it never gets old. It's still quite amazing and just a piece of art even today. So you gotta love it. These are white with some black and some blue. I gotta be honest here, for me the perfect colorway here would be if it was black on the bottom too, and I know I had that. You can get that because I have had my tongue is stuck in my throat here. I have had them in black here before, all black and the white, but these also is kind of cool. It's not no problem, you know. It's a cool colorway. These two, so yeah, you know. You got all white around on the leather, and that's really shiny and beautiful. A really nice finish to it. A minus for me is maybe the laces. If I'm going to wear this as my everyday shoe, I will change out the laces for some really white ones. You know, these are kind of yellow. I guess it's made to match up with the bottom part. But if you ask me, they should go with a shinier white one like the rest of the shoe. It would fit a lot better if you ask me, but it's no big deal, you know. You can change them out or you can just wear them like that. It's matching up with the bottom, so it's not the worst thing in the world. So yeah, but for me, I will change that out. It's all white on the inside with a blue Nike logo. So it will get dirty fast. That's just how it is with the white insides. You got the Nike logo up front here. You also got the Nike logo on the bottom. And of course the iconic, beautiful, big black Nike logo that just goes all the way through around with the back logo and continues on the inside. And that's really iconic and beautiful. I really love these shoes. It's always, as I said, a go-to summer shoe, and it's really comfortable on the feet. It's great quality. They are light. They are not too stiff either. So really a good shoe to go around in. Really comfortable. You can even use them as your gym shoes and stuff like that. You can even run in them. Not the best running shoes in the world, of course. But for me, these qualify as an everyday wearing shoe because of the beauty of them and stuff like that. It's really a piece of art. as I said, this never gets old, and I'm definitely looking forward to wear these ones in the summer. I actually promised my brother these shoes, but I might keep them because they're really beautiful. Always good with some Cortezes laying around. And of course we need to try them on the feet so you guys can see how they are looking and stuff. Before I do that, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to support the channel. And of course we'll see you in the next one, or I hope I'll see you in the next one. So yeah, let's go and test them out.